The folding chairs family from COSCO is perfect for family get-togethers, barbecues, or meetings. Our folding chairs are constructed with an all-steel frame and a reinforced tube-in-tube leg design, creating a 250-pound use rate. The non-marring foot caps on our chairs protect floor surfaces. An easy-to-clean finish provides a low-maintenance option for all your needs. These chairs fold tight and compactly in one simple motion for easy storage and transport. COSCO. Smart by design.
Manufacturer of high-density polyethylene folding tables and chairs, Lifetime Products has revolutionized the industry with their contoured folding chairs. Lifetime chairs are perfect for your home, office, or next event. They are durable, lightweight, and best of all, comfortable. The unique contour design of Lifetime's folding chairs makes them more comfortable than any other folding chair on the market. They have a wide seat and tall back to support you in all the right places. Our engineers specifically design our chairs to be ergonomic and comfortable for all sizes and shapes. Constructed of high-density polyethylene and powder-coated steel, Lifetime chairs exceed commercial furniture standards, ensuring superior strength and durability. With a UV-protected seat and back and an all-weather, rust-resistant powder-coated steel frame, Lifetime chairs are perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Lifetime chairs hold over 500 pounds and are available in white, almond, putty, and black. They're stain-resistant, easy to clean, and will not crack, chip, or peel. So no matter where your event takes place, you can count on the durable, comfortable chairs from Lifetime Products. So take a look around and you'll see Lifetime tables and chairs everywhere, homes, banquets, offices, and at the next group gathering. Our quality construction and comfortable contour design have made Lifetime chairs #1 in the industry.
These premium Hercules resin folding chairs provide compact seating that's perfect for any event. The unique resin construction, which is a hard, durable, anti-static plastic, makes it possible to hold up to 1,000 pounds. The waterproof and stain-resistant vinyl upholstered seats make them perfect for indoor or outdoor use. You can detach the seat for simple cleaning. They're available in either white or black, depending on your needs. When folded, the chair only measures 2 3/4 inches, making them easy to store and transport.
The Hercules Series premium triple-braced fabric upholstered metal folding chair from Flash Furniture is our best folding chair ever and is perfect for any occasion where you might require temporary seating. This portable folding chair features 2.5-inch thick, high-density fire-retardant foam padding on the back and seat and is covered with burgundy fabric. The triple-braced frame is constructed from 18-gauge steel with leg-strengthening support bars. Other color options include gray and navy. This chair is economically priced and built tough to withstand years of heavy use indoors or out, and when not in use, it folds flat for easy storage. The Hercules Series premium triple-braced fabric upholstered metal folding chair, a great choice for all your temporary seating needs.
Whether you're planning a huge party or a small gathering at your house, these lightweight black plastic folding chairs from Flash Furniture are the best option. One of the best features of this double-braced folding chair is that it's designed for indoor and outdoor use. The seat and back are made of polypropylene injected plastic, and the 18-gauge steel frame has supports on each side of the seat, making it one of the most durable and sturdiest folding chairs available. You can use it for parties, banquets, school functions, classrooms, or even in your home should you need some extra seating to accommodate guests. And when the party's over, simply fold to store the chair in less room. A great convenience. The 50 series folding chairs are attractive, durable, and extremely functional, and normally ship in 1 business day. For versatility yet outstanding looks and convenience, choose this folding chair with charcoal frame by Flash Furniture.